A plate rolling machine is an essential piece of equipment in the metal fabrication industry designed to convert flat metal sheets into curved shapes like cylinders, cones, and arcs. It is widely used in industries such as construction, shipbuilding, oil and gas, and heavy engineering for manufacturing tanks, pipelines, pressure vessels, and structural components. The machine operates using a set of hardened rollers that apply continuous pressure on the metal plate, gradually bending it into the desired radius. Depending on the requirement, plate rolling machines come in different configurations such as 3-roll, pyramid type, initial pinch, and 4-roll machines, each offering unique advantages in precision and ease of operation. Modern plate rolling machines are equipped with advanced features like hydraulic systems, CNC controls, digital displays, and safety mechanisms, ensuring high accuracy, reduced manual effort, and consistent output. They can handle various materials including mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and other alloys with different thickness capacities. Key advantages include high precision, bending, increased production efficiency, ability to handle thick plates, reduced material wastage, easy operation with minimal manpower. A plate rolling machine is a powerful industrial tool designed to bend and shape metal plates into cylindrical, conical, or curved forms with precision and efficiency. Widely used in fabrication industries, it plays a key role in manufacturing tanks, pipes, pressure vessels, and structural components. This machine works by passing metal sheets through a series of rollers that gradually apply pressure, transforming flat plates into perfectly curved shapes. Available in 3-roll and 4-roll configurations, modern plate rolling machines offer high accuracy, durability, and ease of operation, making them essential for heavy-duty metalworking. Whether you're working with mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, a plate rolling machine ensures consistent results and boosts productivity in any workshop. If you're in fabrication or manufacturing, investing in a plate rolling machine can significantly improve productivity and quality.